जेव्हा अंगठा दाखवायचा असेल त्याला अंगठा दिसून देत.
काय दिसू?
अंगठा जेव्हा आपल्याला तुला कळलंय मला कसं कळणार ना. हा येस करेक्ट, हे दिसलं पाहिजे बस. सो समिया जोपर्यंत येते तोपर्यंत कोणीतरी सांगा मला व्हॉट इज पिन. काय शिकलात तुम्ही? पिन म्हणजे काय? दुर्गा.
सर माझी मीटिंग तेव्हा हे झालेली, कनेक्शन लो होतं.
ओके, पण मग तू नंतर बघितलं नाहीस का? लगेच टाकतो.
नाही सर.
पाठवलं नाही तुम्ही? पाठवलंय मॅममध्ये. बघ पाठवलं नसेल तर मला.
हो सर.
Sir,
येस या बोल. व्हॉट इज पिन?
sir, I think your camera is working again.
Whose camera? My camera?
Your camera.
Yes. It works sometimes and it doesn't work sometimes. त्याला काय भूतानी पछाडलेले त्याला, त्यामुळे तो कधीतरी त्याच्या अंगात येतं मध्येच आणि तो चालू होतो आणि मध्येच त्याला वाटतं की नाही आता आज ती नॉन कोऑपरेशन मुवमेंट स्टार्ट्स. So then he doesn't cooperate. I have tried many things. See what I have done. Just you will look. Now I am sharing the screen, so you will see. See what is this? Webcam and laptop not functioning properly. I was searching the same thing. How to repair and all, everything. So anyway, pin means two pieces of your opponent. Two pieces of your opponent in one line, and you are attacking those two pieces in the same line. Samya, nothing has happened. This was the first sentence. Don't worry. Two pieces of opponent, two or more than two also, in one line, and from that same line, your piece is attacking.
Someone is telling hello.
Such a situation is such a.
सर कोणीतरी हॅलो हॅलो बोलते.
नाही कोण, मला नाही ऐकायला ते.
मला येते सर.
हॅलो.
हा हॅलो कोणतरी बोलते सर.
तुझा हॅलो येत असेल परत. तुझे दोन इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहेत का तिकडे तुझ्याकडे?
नाही
काय तो इको येतो, काय समटाइम्स इको येतो.
अरे वाटत कारण का त्याचं युट्यूब म्हणून येत होता तो हॅलो बोलत होता.
हा म्हणजे तो निहार, पण माझ्याकडे अजिबात येत नाही. कोणाला येतोय का अजून एक्स्ट्रा आवाज? एनीबडी इज गेटिंग एक्स्ट्रा? नो. सो दॅट इको इज देअर समटाइम्स. देयर इज अ इको.
अच्छा,
असं होतं काय, कधीतरी होतं. अगदी तुला प्रॉब्लेम वाटला ना काय, तर लॉग आउट करायचं आणि परत लॉग इन करायचं, मग ते प्रॉब्लेम क्लिअर होतो. ओके. So here these two pieces are in line, right? If this comes over here and in the position, ignore other pieces. Now this is attacking this way. A smaller piece is ahead and bigger piece is behind. So this position is called as pin. If this comes over here, this is a pin. Attack from this line and smaller piece ahead and bigger piece behind. Always in a pin, smaller piece, if it is ahead and bigger piece behind, it is good. Sometimes if this is the position, this is also a pin, not that it is a pin. The basic rule you must understand that the piece behind should not be protected one. I'll take another example over here. Now this is the pin. If this goes for protection, you get this. The piece behind is unprotected. You understand? Prithvi, you are absent on Monday.
Yes, sir. Light was not there, so network was not.
Okay. तेरे पिताजी को मैंने बोला था पहले ये लगाओ करके, क्या बोलते हैं, जनरेटर नहीं लगाते, क्या करेंगे तेरे पिताजी? तो बोल अभी कृष्णा को बोल, मैंने बोला एक जनरेटर लेने को. ठीक है?
Mm.
Anyway, so this was the pin. So यहाँ पर the small piece was behind, but this is not protected. That is most important. If this is like this is not protected, so it is good pin. So what I can give is a bet. This is a bet. So opponent feels that I will kill, I am getting it free. Then you get this. This is the use of the pin. When queen pins or when some piece pins it, then after second move or third move you get it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पिन किया तो आपको मिल गया. Pin किया, that means it is a threat. You are creating a threat. If opponent falls for that, then you win. You win that piece or pawn. Am I clear with this? Everybody is clear with this idea?
Yes.
Now we will go for drills. There are 30 drills for pin. We will go for it. Then you will understand it in very much better way. Okay. I think we had gone for first 10 drills. We had done. Yeah, because there is a 11th number pin is there, and I haven't taken anybody, any other batch is not with pin and all. So I think we will start from problem number 11. So here, black to move and set up a pin. As I said, when king is behind, king is involved in the pin, it is always the best pin. Because such a pin is unpinnable. Very different kind of word I am using for the first time. It cannot be unpinned. You cannot unpin. What is unpin? That also I will teach you. Just a moment. Here, now this is the pin. This is the pin. Okay. Small piece ahead and big piece ahead. If you move, then pin is executed. Okay. So what? How to unpin? Put somebody in the middle. And here bishop is there, so bishop can unpin. And not only that, this bishop is having support. So next move you can move this. So even if the attack is open, attack is on bishop and you can support bishop. And this is also attack, so this has to go back somewhere. You understand? So this is, we call it as an unpin. Second way of unpin is there. This is unpinning. Because now the threat is there. So if bishop takes this, you can take no pin, and bishop goes back, totally unpin. As per rules, this is also a pin, but this pawn has got a support, and this is a smaller one and this is bigger one. So this is not at all a pin. It doesn't give any benefit to the black. You understand it? Supposing I'm just now this is a pin. Okay, this has got a support from rook, big piece ahead and much bigger piece behind. This is a pin. Here this can come in the middle. Not necessarily a pawn should come in the middle. So this comes in the middle means pin is saved. Now this is pin, no doubt, but at least this is saved. So next move, whatever it does, you can simply move. If it kills, you can kill. Your queen is protected. Are you getting what I am saying? Pin and unpin, pin and unpin. Every time you will find a smaller piece ahead and bigger piece behind. Either that smaller piece is not having any support or bigger piece is not having any support. If both the pieces are having support, for example this, so this is the pin, but it is ineffective pin at present. This can simply come over here and unpin. This is a unpinning itself. You understand? So even if this kills, you can kill back. So ultimate result is equal. So there is no use of the pin then. Okay, let us go to our problem. Achha, Aditya joined. Himanshi join or not? Himanshi is there or not? Okay. Recording is continuing. Ananya Purthvi has joined. Okay. But is not there, no? Okay. Nihar that day was not there. Ananya and okay, fine. So here black to move and set up the pin. It is so easy. This comes over here. Both are in one line. So in the same line you are attacking. So you have created a pin, and this pin is good. Two reasons. Number one, you cannot unpin this. First reason is you cannot unpin, and second reason, this is not supported. This is also not supported. Example I am taking, if this pawn would have been over here, okay. So
सर आणि जिओमीट वर क्लास कधीपासून सुरू होणार आहे?
अजून तरी जिओमीटर रेकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल नाही अजूनही.
हो सर, कालच नवीन अपडेट आलाय.
अच्छा, मग बघतो मी त्याच्यावर. आणि आपल्या गुगल मीट वर पण वाटतं रेकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल नाहीये. सो आय वॉन्ट
गुगल मीट वर
रेकॉर्ड
आहे सर.
आहे का गुगल मीट वर?
गुगल मीट वर आहे.
ओके. मग मी ते नंतर बघतो. आणि जिओ मीट वर आलं तर आपण स्ट्रेट अवे जिओ मीट वर जायचंच आहे. ते येणार नाही जिओ मीट वर रेकॉर्डिंग. ओके, वी हॅव टू वेट. दॅट्स ऑल. सो हियर दिस इज क्लीन अटॅक. This doesn't have support. Supposing this pawn is over here and this plays this. Now it is pin as per the definition. But next move is this. It is supported, so that pinning effect is gone. Now if rook takes this bishop, pawn takes rook, so overall effect is in favor of white. Black loses 5 points and black gets 3 points. Are you getting these ideas? Very important. You must understand this. Good. Let us go to our problem. So that was right. Next. Important. White to move, set up the pin. Now you have possibility of 2 pins. So you have to decide which one is better than the other. You start writing in your notebook. Now this pin is there, but this is not correct because that has got the support. So effective pin is not there. So black king will simply move, no pin, and you cannot kill this. But correct, this is correct. This cannot be supported. Got it? Next. Black to move, set up the pin. These are problems are easy, don't worry. You will get the pin, what it is pin. You will understand it. And you'll have to be very fast. Now you try to be fast so that we can start 4 also. I want to start 4 also. Here 2 pins are possible. Here and this over here H5 and this over here B5. H5 is bad because if you pin this, as per definition pin is there but queen will kill. So it is bad pin and this is good pin. White to move a piece to set up the pin. So here again, this is the pin in the same line. Both the pieces in the same line. So very easy to recognize which two pieces are there on the board, और वो दोनों को connect करने वाली line खींचो और वही line को आगे extend करो, उस extension में आपका piece लेके आओ. As simple as that. The use of pin is really important. Should take only 5 seconds basically. So this is the pin. Both are in this line only, so you have to take your piece. Now here you may say that I will take my rook over here and give pin. That is truly sad if you think of it. Now again here there are two pins possible. So which one you will choose? You write down in your notebook and you check yourself whether your decision is right or wrong. Here, see, both these pieces are supported by king. So by definition, this pin is not at all good. But here, if knight chooses to attack this, here 3 point is attacking 3 point, equal. So it is bad. And here 3 point is attacking 5 points. It's good. So even if black moves his king first to unpin, unpinning is there, you can still immediately take it. Here when a smaller piece is attacking a bigger piece has to run. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बोला है, आप लिफ्ट में जा रहे हैं और कोई आपके साथ जा रहा है, उसके कमर पर लेडी है, कमर पर एक छोटा बच्चा है, वो बच्चा आपको देता है खटाक करके, आप कुछ नहीं कर पाते. बेस्ट इज दैट कि नियरेस्ट फ्लोर का बटन दबाओ, वहां पर बाहर आ जाओ पहले लिफ्ट के, नहीं तो आप वो छोटे बच्चे से मार तो खाते ही रहेंगे यार, आप कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, उसको कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. लोग बोलेंगे इतने छोटे बच्चे को क्या मार रहे हैं. समझना. तो बेस्ट वे इज दैट टू रन अवे. सो व्हेन देयर इज अ पिन you have to run. That's all. You got this? White to move. Set up the pin. Common sense. This over here. Now here I would like to give you one more example. Yeah. See here. Very important here. Here, this can pin this, right? Simply come over here and pin this. So this cannot move. Even this also moves. This will go. But here giving pin is not advisable. Ultimately, you have to kill this. So there is an option, check and attack on this. So this has to move over here and then again check. So there are circumstances, sometimes you have different options. So you have to see that which option to choose. This deciding factor or what decision you take, that will differentiate you among all. When somebody will ask me who plays better in the group, so I will say no, I will not take the name Riddhi or Prithvi or Durga or Samya. I will not take the name. I will say that one who takes a proper decision at proper time. You understand it? So you have to take this. This particular thing which I shown, that was a fork, that will come little later on after we finish. So this was the right one. Black to move, set up the pin. I will take this on the board. 1 minute. Demo board. इसको मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ. Purposely I have taken this. Same situation. Same pieces. You have written the answer, everybody? Now here, there is a possibility that you can do this pin, and there is a possibility that you can do this pin. The right answer is this and not this. Right answer is this. Because this cannot kill, there is a support. And if this comes over here, this will come over here and give support. No meaning. You understood? Now what I am doing, just look out. Now you tell me. I have just reversed the color. Now this is same. So which one you will choose? Sia Korde, bola.
Sir, the one that includes the knight.
Correct. So some of you may be amazed. Here, this white pawn is going which side? This side. And not this side. So no support. So if you try to come over here, dish kya? So that thing, while solving the problem, you should see where the A, B, C, D is and 1, 2, 3, 4 is. Where the pawn is moving. Okay? That is the purposely I have shown you that. अभी यहाँ पर ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे, especially when the pawn is involved. You have to look. Like to move, set up the pin. Easy, 5 seconds. So this is the answer. Bishop E2. Now as you can see, two answers are there. One is good and one is bad. Simple. If you come over here, what will happen? It is bad because this king can come to the rescue. Even though it will remain in the pin, but 3 points versus 3 points, so it doesn't matter. So the correct one is this. White to move, set up the pin, that will win the material. See, now the little better problem. You have to set up the pin and see that that pin cannot escape. You will win the material. Whatever the opponent plays, whatever the he plays. Simple, only this pin is available. This doesn't have support. So you are going to win this material. Nobody can come for the rescue. Here I would like to teach you something. Just putting the position, little bit wrong is there. But now here we can see that this is the thing and nobody can come to the rescue. But supposing a position is like this. Just an example here. Okay, position is like this. Now, there is a possibility that you can pin this and you can pin this. So which one you will choose? Think very carefully. If you are done, raise your thumbs. That's all. Okay, Samia, tell me.
Sir, the B3 bishop will come to A4.
Okay, bishop A4. अभी यहाँ पर ये bishop तो A4 को आएगा नहीं, so you don't have to say that B3 bishop. Simply this. But if this comes for the rescue. You are not getting this. That means if you get, there is a support. So 3 points versus 3 points. And here also 3 point versus 3 point. If you come over here, this will come for the rescue. Means unpin. Then you take this, he takes it. So which one you choose then? Both are simple. Both are similar. You can still continue with this, but I want a reason. Okay, Ira. Ira. Ira, you have to speak. तू मराठीत बोललीस तरी चालेल इरा. इरा बोलत नाही. दुर्गा.
Bishop can come to A5.
A5, but why? A5, A5 and A4 है. Why? You have to give the answer also. Why? Why this and why not this? Durga. Yes, Durga, speak. Don't worry about the answer. If you are wrong, it is okay. You must try.
Sir, I'll go with H4.
Okay, why? Dev.
Sir,
Up in there.
the bishop will come to H4
Okay, why? This. You are saying this. Why?
because if we move the bishop